welcome back to another YouTube video. So I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I cleaned out my first flip dresser here. So if you haven't already, check out my thrifting video where you see that I'm going into the thrift store and I find the dresser and I take it home with me, and then that is the part that you're left off with. So if you are new here, I am Dee, your bestie that loves all things on sale. So welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and set your notification bell for the next video. So in today's video, I'm just basically showing you guys how I cleaned my dresser out. You definitely want to research to find out what type of wood you're working with. There's so many types of wood out there. Some dressers have laminate like wooding over it. Y'all, it's just mind-blowing. So that's one thing that I did. I researched to find out exactly what type of wood I would be dealing with. You also want to be careful when using a lot of water on wood because it does absorb water, and you can like mold can happen if you are leaving water on the wood. So you definitely want to be careful of how much water you put on the wooding items that you have. For me, I used pine sol, I used vinegar, a little baking soda, and warm water. You can put it in a spray bottle and just spray it and clean it out. I wanted to do like a deep clean and just get into it while cleaning this particular dresser. So that is exactly what I am doing. So I'm gonna take you guys along the way. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm so excited to like flip this dresser. Oh my god, I'm like so excited. But like if you want to flip some furniture, I highly recommend that you just clean your furniture out. Do like a deep dive clean in your on your furniture before you start to design them. So this is what you're seeing. So the next video that you guys see is going to be the design of the dresser. So let's just get on into the video. Let's go. All right, so I headed to my nearest Dollar Tree, and y'all, this Dollar Tree did not have anything, but I picked up the cleaning vinegar. I also picked up some cloths that I would need to wipe down the dressers. So I jumped right on in when I got back. So first I wanted to remove all of the knobs because I knew that these would not be the knobs that I would use. So I wanted to go ahead and just remove all of them off of the dresser. I also repaired the dresser. Some of the wood was like cracked, so I started to do that as well before I started cleaning. After I finished repairing the wood and removing the knobs, I got right in. Now you're gonna have to put some elbow grease into this because you're gonna have to get all of the crests, all like get down dirty cleaning. Like this was a deep clean. So I have my bucket set aside. I have all of the items that I purchased from Dollar Tree. So the items that I purchased, you see me pick up the cleaning vinegar. I also did dish detergent. I also use Dawn as well, and a little bit of baking soda, and that was about it, is all I used there. I didn't want to damage the wood, and as you can see when I'm cleaning it, I don't put a lot of water on there because I didn't want to like cause mold or the water to like seep into the wood. But you are gonna see me like scrubbing down and then wiping where I'm scrubbing, just so it wouldn't absorb a lot of water. guys, so as you can see, the dresser is fully clean and I cannot wait to start designing this. You guys have to stay tuned on how I style this dresser. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I know, just can't. Okay, yeah, so yes, it's clean. I hope you guys enjoy this short tutorial on how I clean my first furniture thrift flip. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, so stay tuned for how I designed this furniture, this dresser. Why I keep calling it furniture? Alright, so stay tuned guys on how I transform this dresser. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here for another video. Alright, peace.